Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Talk about this. So SD-WAN edge already covered by Sunil. So if you deeply talk about this orchestrator part, so basically it's a cloud delivered or maybe the on-prem. So it's a multi-tenant portal providing centralized management, right? So it also provides some, for example, you want to deploy, configure something via APIs. So, are you guys know about the APIs, application programming interface? Have you heard about REST API? Anybody?
No,
Okay.
no.
So REST API is like a mechanism. In training, I will show you something, some use cases where I also created one of the solution where you can integrate your vManage or we have also deployed one of the solution for VeloCloud also. We have created some sequence of API where on ServiceNow user will create a ticket and the API will run and it will push to the VeloCloud and the policy will be modified. So I will show you the what are the REST API. So there are multiple methods. Either you are using some Postman, either you are using we can say any other your automation tool which maybe belongs to your organization. So this also support the API. Fortinet also support the API. vManage also support the API. So API is open for this VeloCloud. So all the configuration, your edge activation, provisioning, business policy. So all the work you will done on the orchestrator because you will have a GUI of the graphical user interface for orchestrator. Gateway is just attach and integrate with the orchestrator. It is responsible as Wakant mentioned. Basically, it's for the all the routing and some detail. But first we'll talk about the orchestrator. Orchestrator also provide this monitoring, analysis, which user link quality scoring, that which application static, which application user are using, right? Any diagnostic, whatever any troubleshooting you want to do. So it's a central interface for all the things. Any packet capture you want to do, troubleshooting, operation related solution, deployment, all the things you will be performed by the orchestrator only, right? Not from the gateway. But whatever you will configure, that will be also pushed to the gateway because gateway have a tunnel. I will show you other how they are connected. So gateway have a tunnel with the edges, and through that it will control all the things. So gateway basically is deployed if you are using a cloud environment. So these are gateways deployed by the VeloCloud. All over the world they have data center. Previously, as Makan mentioned, it was under the Azure and AWS, but nowadays some migration is going on. Now they are migrating to the Google one. Previously, it was under the Azure or AWS, basically. Okay. So
Yeah, to add here in the to the Sachin's words, yes, the JTP, your complete management and configuration can be done through the VCO only, VeloCloud Orchestrator, which is a multi-tenant orchestrator. Okay, so if you guys have more than one organization, you can add those organizations within those. So that in which case, if you have only MSP accounts, if not, then you might have access to single orchestrator of any tenant or maybe on the customer side. That's where you guys mostly have access, right? So the configuration which we are talking about here, that consists of all the configuration of like IP addressing on the interface, either your BGP configuration or the cloud VPN configuration, which is responsible for your like site-to-site connectivity and your data center connectivities. That should be done through the orchestrator only, only, and that also facilitate the zero touch operation on the VeloCloud AJs, where you might be spinning up your AJs by zero touch provisioning through the orchestrator. That sometime you use, sometime not. And the last one, the as it is mentioned, APIs over there. So APIs are basically you know, these are the automation thing. If you guys have automation within your deployment, then those are used. Otherwise, you don't use those APIs. Okay, so those APIs are open to the public. If you can utilize those, and you can create your use case, deployment of any ASIS by APIs itself, and those APIs you can call within your maybe any automation software from where you can push those APIs. You have to create some pipelines over there. You have to create some codes, and those things will be like the requirement according to the use case that can be automated. So that's where we use APIs. The gateways are also you can deploy those gateways on premises as well, and mostly what happens is on the VeloCloud side, those VeloCloud gateways are hosted within different Equinix environment or the cloud environment, where the nearest reachability with the those SaaS applications, right? The O365 application or Salesforce, or maybe any application which are there, your organizations are using day by day. Those gateways are hosted over the globe by the VeloCloud itself. Those are cloud gateways only. Okay, that is totally managed by the VeloCloud. Okay, if you have your local environment set up for gateways, then you have to manage those gateways. And within if we talk about APAC only, you might get more than 4 or 5 gateways within the India itself, right, from the VeloCloud itself. So if you are enabling any site within the India, you might have Mumbai gateway, Bangalore gateway, or the Chennai gateway. These are the gateways which are available within the India. So one of the gateway will be super gateway, the primary gateway, and those secondary gateway. That's how hierarchy will be working. So the primary responsibility of sending all the routes within the SD-WAN fabric from the gateway to your devices will be with the super gateway only, right? So that those are the things which are there from the orchestrator and gateway side. Yes, Sachin, go ahead.
So, in addition to
Guys, feel free. Yeah,
Yeah.
guys, feel free if you need anything in between
Any
as
question,
well. If
yeah.
you have any questions, please.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.